Dear students, today we are going to study about nutrition in plants. Let us have an overview. We are aware that plants are autotrophs, they make their own food. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, it is shown in photosynthesis by green plants. Some plants also follow heterotrophic mode of nutrition like parasitic nutrition in cuscuta, saprotrophic nutrition in fungi, nutrition shown by insectivorous plants, example pitcher plant, and symbiotic relationship, that is examples are lichens. Lichens are the symbiotic relationship between fungi and algae. Food is essential for the survival of living beings. Various components of food such as carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals which are needed by our body are called nutrients. Carbohydrate containing food items, protein containing food items, fat containing food items, vitamin C rich sources, and there are several other things. Our food should also include dietary fibers and water. Nutrition is the mode of taking in food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Auto means self and trophos means nourishment. Mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food. Organisms which follow autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Green plants are called autotrophs as they can make their own food by the process of synthesis. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heteros is derived from other means and trophos means nourishment. Mode of nutrition in which an organism depends on other organisms for its food. Animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to combine. It is the process by which green plants prepare their own food by combining carbon dioxide and water using sunlight and chlorophyll. Equation is given here: carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It gives you carbohydrate and oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water are combined to form carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbohydrates are utilized for providing energy to the plant. The carbohydrates which are not used immediately are stored in the form of starch that acts like an energy reserve for the plant. Leaves as food factories. When cross section of a leaf is observed under a microscope, some green dots can be seen. These special structures are called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the light energy that helps in the process of photosynthesis. Here you can see chlorophyll, stroma, guard cell, a section through a leaf of guard cell. Well, let us do an activity to find aim. To show the presence of starch in leaves, materials needed: a potted plant, alcohol, water, dilute iodine solution. Procedure: pluck a leaf from a potted plant and put it in a boiling tube containing alcohol. Keep the boiling tube in beaker containing water and heat the beaker. You will see that the leaf will lose its green color. After that, take out the leaf and wash it with water. Pour a few drops of dilute iodine solution on the leaf and observe. Observation: blue-black coloration will be seen on the leaf as leaves store food in the form of starch, carbohydrate. Leaves store food in the form of starch. Here the activity is shown. First of all, the leaf is taken and it is given alcohol bath. Do not heat it directly. Put it in beaker, add some water in it, then put the test tube. Now the leaf is being washed and then it is treated with iodine solution to observe the color change. Requirements for photosynthesis: carbon dioxide taken in by plants from the air through tiny pores present on the surface of leaves, which are called stomata, a singular stoma. Each stomatal pore is surrounded by guard cells. Guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Importance of stomata. Stomata are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves that help in exchange of gases. They help the plants to lose excess water by the process of transpiration. Water is absorbed by the roots. of the plant with the help of tiny hair present in roots which are called root hair. Water and minerals reach the other parts of the plant through pipe-like vessels which form a continuous network throughout the plant. And there are specialized tissue like xylem and phloem. About them you are going to study in higher classes. Chlorophyll, green pigment present in leaves of a plant, helps in the process of photosynthesis by trapping sunlight. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. The solar energy is captured by the leaves of a plant and used by the plant to make its food, carbohydrate, and release oxygen into the air. Activity to show that sunlight is essential for the photosynthesis. To show that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, material required: 2 potted plants, water, alcohol, dilute iodine solution. Procedure: take 2 potted plants and keep one in sunlight and the other in dark. After some days, pluck 1 leaf each from the 2 plants. Put each of the 2 leaves in test tubes containing alcohol. Keep the boiling tubes in beaker containing water and heat the beaker. Take out both the leaves and wash them with water. Pour a few drops of dilute iodine solution on both the leaves and record your observation. Blue-black coloration will be seen in the leaf that was from the plant which was kept in sunlight, while the other leaf would not give blue-black coloration with dilute iodine solution. Conclusion: leaves need sunlight to prepare their food, that is starch. Diagram showing photosynthesis. Here the different components that are needed are shown. Water and minerals are taken from soil. Chlorophyll is already there in the leaf. Carbon dioxide and oxygen gases are taken from atmosphere, and sunlight provides the light energy. Can leaves of different colors show photosynthesis? Yes. Leaves of various color such as red, brown colored leaves are capable of showing photosynthesis. They contain chlorophyll. Green color of chlorophyll is masked by large amount of red, brown or other pigment. Photosynthesis by algae. Algae are slimy green patches found in stagnant water. They are green in color as they contain chlorophyll. They can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Note: photosynthesis can take place in other green parts of the plant such as green stems, To reduce water loss, desert plants have their leaves modified as spines. In such plants, green stems carry out the process of photosynthesis. Time to put your thinking hats on. You are supposed to do this question and check out the answers. Thank you.